grade 6s. So we're going to be looking who the citizens in Athens were. Please follow along with your notes. Remember, pause the video when you see a bold word and make sure you're writing the proper word and spelling in the blank. All right, let's go. Citizenship was very restricted in ancient Athens. Citizens were the only members of society who could vote and take part in government. Athenian citizenship was limited to one class or group in society. So you are going to use page 58 from the textbook to fill in the chart in your booklet. You can use the video that I've recorded or go back into the classroom and find chapter 3 and use page 58 there. So you can do that at the end after we finish going through the notes. Social hierarchy of ancient Athens. Citizens. Citizens were children of parents who were born in Athens. Only male citizens could participate in voting and governing the city. A young man became a citizen after he finished his military service at the age of 20. Women could not participate in Athenian democracy. Medics. Medics were residents of Athens who had been born outside of the city-state. They were not allowed to own land and could not become citizens. Slaves. Slaves were owned by either private Athenians or by the city-state. Many slaves were people who had been taken prisoner when their city-state was attacked by the Athenians. Slaves could not become citizens. Identity and status were defined by the level of the social structure into which someone was born. As a rule, people were not allowed to move from one class to another. Only on extremely rare occasions could a medic or slave be granted citizenship. This almost never happened to normal medics and slaves. Some examples of cases where citizenship could be granted are heroic deeds for the city, usually done in times of war, possibly saving a general's life, defeating an impossible number of enemies alone, or capturing enemy messengers or military leaders, and so on. Serving the city faithfully for many years and proving themselves worthy. And having many citizens support the medic or slave and have the city gift that person citizenship.